Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be giving a full tutorial on dropship.io. Now this is a beginner's guide for you to learn how to use dropship.io so you can find winning products and start making a really good monthly income. So when you log in to dropship.io, you will be brought to this dashboard page here. So the dashboard's where you can see all of the products they have to offer. You can see this course that they have to offer, and you can also claim this Shopify offer if that's something that interests you. But in order to start using their products, you want to go over to the left-hand side, and to start with, I'm going to go over the product database. So the product database is made for basically finding products, and what's also good about this is you can see their monthly revenue and monthly sales, and you can work out whether some of these products are actually worth testing on your store. So I haven't actually changed any of these filters yet, but you can just scroll down and you'll be able to see a whole bunch of different things. So for example, there's this 4-in-1 Smooth Styler Professional Styling Comb here. If we click on it, we can open up this graph and we can see roughly how much they're making a day in sales. And we can also find out some other good information here. So as we can see, they have this listed for around $22. And we can also do a search on AliExpress and we can click that to easily find out how much it's going to cost us to buy. So from here, if this is a product you like, you can simply import the product to Shopify. You can import the product to AutoDS, and you can also find competitors that are similar to this store right here. Now, if you're not interested in competitors, you want to track this store by itself, you can come over here and click this track button. And then from here, you can either start tracking the product or start tracking the store. Now, if we head back up to the top, we can actually start adjusting some of these filters. So let's just say we only wanted baby products. We can click baby here. So let's just say we wanted to find a store that is making at least $3,000 a month. We can go to this monthly revenue section, just put 3,000 in. And then we can also do the same with anything else. So if we wanted products of a certain price, we could put this in here. We could put a minimum of 30 and a maximum of 50, for example, to try find products with a good margin. Now, once you've added all the filters that you need and you're happy, you can go ahead and click search. And just like last time, we can scroll down and here we can see all these different products. So let's just say we were interested in this. We can click on this to visit the website and we can see exactly what it is they're selling. So it looks like this is some toy monkey. And they seem to have about 382 sales and are making $4,000 in revenue. So you can basically just repeat this process and customize it exactly how you like so that you can find products that really suit your store. Next up over here is a sales tracker. And to start with, you can go over to My Trackings. Now these three are already added in for us as an example, but we can also start adding more if we want by typing them in this URL at the top. And then we can go ahead and click Start Tracking. From there, it will add the store down here, and we'll be able to see how many sales they've got today, how many sales they had yesterday, sales in the past 7 days, sales in the past month, and then we can also see store info, which is basically how many products they have listed. So this is really useful for tracking stores and select products to see what's selling at the moment. And if you find something that's selling really well, it could be a good thing to add to your store. Now you can also click over here to get insights. And here's where we can learn a bit more about the store. So we can see the total revenue they've had, and we can even see the store theme that they used on Shopify. Now we can scroll down to see all of their top products, and we can also see which is their best seller. So as we can see here, this navy hoodie is their best seller, and that's returned $67,000. Now we can also switch this over to products at the top here, and here we can see their best sellers, their newest products that they've added, and also all products. Now the good thing about this is if we do find something that we like, for example, let's say we wanted to import this into our store, we can simply click this import button and then it'll be added into our Shopify store and we can start selling it for ourselves. Now under the sales tracker, we can also see top stores and top products. Now if we click on top stores, this will basically tell us the top stores in the past 24 hours and it will update every day. So this can be really useful for finding top performing stores. And we'll also be able to change these filters to find stores that are more suited to what we're looking to sell. Now we can also do this with top products, and it's pretty much the same thing, but it just shows you products instead. And this can be a really good way of finding products as it's showing you exactly how much revenue they're making. And it also shows when they started. So as you can see, they've had 6,000 sales, which has generated them $200,000, and they only started around a year ago. Now next up is competitor research. And this is a really good tool for finding competitors that are selling things the same as what you're selling. So as you can see down here, let's just say we were selling this cat night lamp. We could type that in here and then click enter. And then when we click search, we'll be able to see all of these listings of people selling the same products that we are. So what I'd recommend for this is to basically find products and stores that are selling the same products as you, but are more successful. And then from there, you want to take some of their data and you want to apply that onto your own site to try and replicate some of their success. So I'd recommend tracking all these stores and basically figuring out which one has the best success and then kind of reverse engineering their success and figure out how they have done it. So for example, if one store is having more success than you are and they're selling their product for $5 cheaper than you, it could be a good idea to maybe match their price and basically see if that helps your sales. Now next up they have the portfolio, and this basically is a way for you to receive winning products. However, your success for this will depend on how you execute it, because of course a lot of people use dropship.io, and if everyone's getting fed these same winning products, then it might not be the best idea to do it, as it will quickly become saturated. But if you can find a unique spin on something from these products, it could be a really good idea to try. Now next up they have AdSpot, and this is basically just an ad spy where you can basically track competitors' ads and you can see what's performing well and what isn't. So let's just say we were selling that cat night lamp. We can enter that in the ad copy and we can click search to try find some competitors that are selling a similar thing. So something else we could do is we could just search for ads that are popular right now, and if we find some really successful ads, we could then use the products that are selling well on there and apply them to our Shopify store. Now they do also have a few more features, such as the Dropship University, which is basically just a course, and then they also have a suppliers tab down. Down here, which is where you can contact industry leading suppliers. So here we can see their years in business, how many orders they've had shipped, and you can also see their shipping time. So this can be really useful if you don't yet have any contacts and you need some sort of supplier to help you actually ship out your products. Now, if you've finished watching this video and you're still not sure about how some of these tools work, what I'd recommend to do is to head over to the dashboard, and here they actually offer us some tutorials on the individual tools. So let's just say you figured all the other tools out, but you're stuck on the competitor research and you're not sure how to optimize it for yourself. What I'd recommend to do is just click watch tutorial, and from here we can begin watching their tutorial exactly how to use the competitor research, and that should help you with these individual tools. But hopefully you don't need to do this, because this video covered everything, so you should know exactly how dropship.io works and how to get the most out of it for your Shopify store. Now this tool is really powerful and I do recommend all of you try it out. They do offer a free 7-day trial, so if you are looking to test this out for yourself, I do recommend trying that trial out. And then if you're happy with it and it brings you some success, you could always go on to pay for the paid plan. But other than that, this has been my full tutorial on dropship.io. And hopefully, as a beginner, you now know how to use it and how to use it effectively to find winning products for your Shopify store. Now, I also hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please go ahead and comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.